At Capistrano Volkswagen, we understand how important it is to provide vehicles that'll give our customers a truly amazing experience. Getting the best detail possible requires using the finest materials, so we proudly use Meguiar's products on all our detail work. There's a lot of extra work and pride that goes into our detail process to make sure that we meet your expectations. We clean and dress the vinyl and leather material, the headliner, carpet, including the trunk and cargo area, as well as cleaning and polishing the wheels. Things like a full cleaning of the engine compartment, wheel wells, and undercarriage areas, along with all exterior and interior surfaces, give each vehicle a like-new appearance.
Well, it excites me knowing the fact that I can put my family in the car in a 2-year-old vehicle and know that it is just going to perform exactly like a brand new vehicle would. That's what I'm looking for when I'm driving my family.
If your car is pre-owned, it makes you feel like you have a brand new car. The way that it's detailed, the way it smells, the way it looks, you feel like you're getting a brand new car.
It's an important part of our business and our reputation to offer safe, like-new vehicles to our customers. So if a clean, reliable vehicle is what you're interested in, then come down and see us at Capistrano Volkswagen in the Orange County area, because we've listened to our customers and we get it.